Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we can see that gold is trading at a level of $1922.65. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart from 2 days, we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, and for this particular week we have seen a red candle is forming. That means it is full in the negative trend this week. Previous weeks we can see that there is a continuous upside for 2 weeks. Okay, overall trend what we have seen that after making a high of around $2083 there is a continuous fall. Okay, before that what we have seen that 1617 a swing has formed at this level, which is already being tested thrice. So chances are very high if it comes close to this level of further fall we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, a probability is high that it can go further upside because there is a clear pattern forming. Confirmation of an upside we can see if the price sustain above a level of 1959, then chances are very high it can go further high. But if the price move further fall, that means if the price fall below a level of 1912, then a probability of moving further low we can see because there is a clear pattern forming, and chances are very high it can go below a level of 1900 and a probability of going towards a level of 1969 and a further low we can see. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go further upside and a probability of touching a level of $1934 is there. And if the price sustain above that particular level, we can see it will cross that particular level and chances of going towards a level of around 1947 is there. Again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will sustain this level and chances of going towards a level of 1934 will be there. That is already being tested here. So chances are high it will cross a level of 1934 and a probability of crossing a level of 1937 will be there, and then it can touch a level of around 1947 is there. As soon as it sustain above 1947, then our probability is very high that it can touch a level of 1953 because there will be a probability of going further upside we can see. As soon as it crosses a level of 1947, we can see a level of $1954, and from there a probability of going towards 1964. Keep that in mind, a higher chances of going further upside because there is an uptrend we can see, or if there's a breakout happens, then the breakout can happen at a level of $1955. Okay, as soon as it move above this level, a further upside we can see. As if it moves above a level of 1964, we will see it will cross that level and a probability of going towards 1972 will be there, and then from there a level of 1983. Okay, and if the price move above that level, a further upside we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Now understand something. See, opposite pattern is forming. Okay, and then if you look at this particular pattern also, there is a higher chances that if the price fall below a level of 1819, then a further downfall we can see. But if the price move below this level, that means if the price fall below a level of 1900, then chances are very high that it will go further along because there is a clear pattern forming. Otherwise what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, then chances of going further down we can see, and there is a strong support at a level of 1917. Okay, so once the price fall below 1917, a further fall we can see towards 1914, and from there a probability of moving below a level of 1910 will be there, and then we can see at a level of 1901. Okay, after 1910 we can see a level of $1901. Remember this, 1917, then 1910, then to a level of 1901. And if the price fall below this level, we can see it will go below a level of 1900 and it will touch a level of around $1892. Okay, and once the price fall below 1892, it will go further low and it will go further down towards a level of $1884, and chances are high that it will touch a level of around $1872. After moving below this level, we can see a level of 1872, and from there we can see it will touch a level of around 1816, and then further downwall we can see in the price of gold. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the option. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.